Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is IreneZab. In case you're new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Yeah, so guys, today we're coming live from Nakuru. Yeah, we're coming live from Nakuru, and we are here at NYAYO Gardens. And I just want to take you through this place so that you can see how everything looks like here. So guys, before we continue, please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much, and enjoy the video. Yeah, so guys, that's how everything looks like here. The last time I did a video here, it's like it was not like this, meaning we have some changes here. Like we have flowers around the area. So guys, I'm doing this video on a Sunday. Today's on a Sunday, and as you can see around the area, we have people here. Yeah, people are just chilling around. That is what the place looks like. Trees around the area. Yes, and here guys, when you come here, this is where you wash your hands. Yeah, this is where you wash your hands from. This is the gate. And there it's saying County Government of Nakuru. So like guys, we have amazing changes like in Nakuru. The last time I was in Nakuru, like this place was not like this. Yeah, this place was not like this. Like everything has changed. Yeah, meaning like the country is developing. Yeah, the country is developing. You can see around the area like amazing flowers. Yeah, everything looks clean here. It's a nice place to chill. Yeah, you have the trees around the area, which makes the place look even more beautiful. Like you can see around the area. Meaning Kenya is developing. Yeah, so if you have never been to Kenya, you need to visit Kenya. Yeah, if you have never been to Kenya, or if you left many years ago, you see now the changes that we have here. Nakuru is such a nice place. Like the weather is amazing. Yeah. And over here again, we have somewhere to wash your hands. They're saying, wash your hands here. See that? Everything is amazing here. Then on the other side we have this. This is where like it's like the dustbin, yeah, and dry waste. Dry. This side is for the dry waste, and this one is the wet waste. And over here we have the somewhere to sit. You can come here and relax. Yeah, you see, this is the bench here. Like you see up there, we have people like they're just relaxing. So even this one, when you're tired, like today is on a Sunday. I'm doing this video on a Sunday, and it's on it's evening hours, and we have a lot of people here. Yeah, just chilling. On the other side there, guys, we have our hotels. We have more benches here. And we have this. Over here, guys, we have something that I don't know if you can see the handwritings. And down here, this is the map of Kenya. Yeah, this one, this thing here. This is how the map of Kenya looks like. So guys, we have come to the end of our video today. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment down below. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.